to a networking event soon. Not looking forward to it. Well, join the rest of most people. Networking has a very strange connotation. People think it's all about going along and saying, "Hello, my name's David. I'm a very important businessman. Pleased to meet you. What is it you do? Because I'm an important businessman, as I said, and I run lots of training and coaching sessions. Would you like my business card and would you like to book me?" That is not what networking is about. Networking is about creating people around you, people that you can rely on, trust, have in-depth conversations, people who think differently to you. Now, I know how David thinks. Obviously, I'm full of great ideas. You only have to look on this YouTube site. But no, David needs to learn from other people. And there's certain people that I have that I rely on immensely. People that I can just pick up the phone to and say, "Well, what would you do in this situation?" They make me think differently or look at things from a different perspective. There's people that have got a greater skill base to that I've got. And I use them and think, "Well, look, you've got expertise in this area. What do you think I should do?" There's other people that just make me think differently. I've got a lot of good friends that just see things from a different perspective. I don't always agree with them, but it doesn't stop me understanding and learning from them. So that's what your network is about. So do yourself a favour, get a notepad, or even perhaps a document on your laptop, and just create a list of people that you respect, you admire, that make you think differently. See things from different perspectives. Have great advice. People that will take you outside your comfort zone. Or perhaps people that will tell you, "Whoa, just hang on a bit." Perhaps people that will give you some honest feedback. This is all about networking. As I said, it's not going to these events. When you go to an event that is classed as networking, just spend time learning about them. Yeah, obviously a little bit about yourself, but keep it very short. Spend more time being a sponge, be a great questioner, be a listener, and then think, okay, how can I perhaps get in contact with them afterwards to have a longer conversation? That's what I think networking is about. It's about building and surrounding yourself with quality people that can help you in the future. Plus, hopefully they'll see the value in you and you can help them. That's when you really know you're winning, when people do come and ask you for help and advice.